welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I install this wig and make it look all cute and everything, and I didn't have so much work to do because it is hassle-free and it is as advertised, hassle-free. So if you want to see how I installed this wig and everything and styled it and all that, even though I didn't, honestly guys, I did not do anything to this wig. I just pop close to on it anyway. So let's get right into the video. I do hope you enjoyed. I just want to quickly disclose that I am aware that some people are unhappy with this wig company because they strongly feel that they stole the idea from this hair wig YouTuber, and I do believe that they did. However, they're a company, they're gonna make their money. Do I feel like she should have copyrighted this whole idea thingy or like put a stamp with her name on it? Yes, I do feel she should have, but that's just my opinion. I'm just here for the convenience of the wig and how effortless it is. Like, this is basically straight out the box, y'all, like for real. So also, this hair was not sent to me. I bought it with my own money. I can even show you receipts and whatnot. So nobody should come for me. That's what I have to say about that. Anyway, now that I've said that, let's get into the wig. Look at it. Can we please? Can we? So this wig is from the notorious Hair Vivi, and honestly, prior to lovely Brienne talking about this, I had never heard about this brand, and she did a video with this, well, not this one, hers was like, I think a yaki texture, but the whole like fake scalp method, and I saw that and I was like, oh, I need this in my life, because the goal is always for your wigs to look natural with the least amount of work put in. Like, I didn't need to bleach nothing or anything. Like, I didn't do none of that, okay? Like, nada, nothing. So when I saw her talk about this wig, I was just like, ooh, I need me this. And I was due a fresh wig anyways. So yeah, got the hair from Hair Vivi. I'm gonna give you the details real quick. So the name of the wig is it's a black bob lace front straight Indian virgin hair. The hair type is Indian virgin hair. The length is 14 inches, which is like super duper perfect for me because I'm a meter 59 or 5'2" if you're one of those. This 14 inch is perfect because the thing is, like 10 inch, 12 inch, it really gets short and it doesn't like make my whole body proportionate. I don't know how else to explain it, but this 14 inch I think like 14 inch is my new length, and it has like a middle part and it's natural color and the density is 150. Let me tell you guys, this does not feel like 150. This feels like 180, to be very honest. Like, it's really full but in a still very natural way. Look at that, like and there's like some thickness to it and it's super duper soft, and it didn't come with like this weird smell when like I got it out the box. Really love it, and it was super duper easy to install. So we're gonna get into the whole installation and move over to voiceover. Obviously this is not a review of the wig, but so far so good. I cannot attest to shedding or anything like that because I just put this wig on my head like today, like that's what I put the wig on my head. Y'all are gonna see me looking all crusty or whatever, but it's okay. Like, I'm here to share with you guys, but so far so good. So this wig is from Hair Vivi and it comes in this really nice sleek black box, and in the box there's like some protection, your information, the wig in a protective net, a ragtail comb, and as you can see, the wig has a deep parting and the knots are bleached. The whole front of the knots are bleached, and you have like the fake scalp. I chose light brown and it's perfect for my skin tone, and there are like a bunch of combs, and the cap size is medium. Additionally, you have this elastic band that has like, that's adjustable, so that's really cool, and it's slightly pre-plucked and it's looking darn good. So I'm first combing through the hair and I just want to get rid of any knots, and I'll first go in and apply some heat protection all over the hair, like really saturated, and just partition it and straighten it. I'm using a comb to help it look super duper straight, so you put the comb in front of your hair straightener and it really does help it be like super duper sleek. This, guys, is the key to really flat wigs. Get you a hot comb. It's the best thing ever since sliced bread, to be honest. So I'm just like sleeking it back and really flattening the hair so it really does take the shape of my head nicely and it looks flat and not like bumpy or lumpy or anything like that. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mousse to tame those flyaways, and here I am with my cornrows. I'm not the best at doing cornrows, but at least my edges are sleek down, and what I'm doing now is just applying the wig to my head and adjusting it and bringing it in front, because like as you can see, my sideburns are pretty forward, so I'm just making sure that wig is adjusted properly onto my head, and you know, making sure the sideburns are, you know, nicely placed behind the ears and all that. So I'm using this really tiny scissors to cut the lace. With time I realized I prefer cutting the lace on my head because I can customize it a little bit more and I can like follow the shape of my head a little bit more, and it's more accurate than if I did it on a mannequin. If you're scared to cut yourself, do it on a mannequin, but you know, measure out and see where you have grooves and stuff like that. So I'm just cutting, adjusting, and making sure my little sideburns look cute. Before I used to have like hella sideburns, but now I just add, is it even called sideburns? But I just cut it a little bit and looks pretty decent. I'm combing back to make sure everything is nice. And here I use some Gotta Be Glued freeze spray. I love this stuff. I used to use the Bold Hold and Ghost Bond, but it's not that deep. Like I can do easily 5 days with this and just have to readjust a little bit and there's no problem. So I apply, add, and then apply some cold, you know, air from my hair dryer, so that everything is nice and sleek. You can also use this method to like create a little baby hair, so like everything is like kind of already sleeked. And then I'm going back again with the hot comb and really sleeking everything back. Be very careful because you can burn yourself in about, what, 5 seconds. I'm about to burn myself and that shit hurt like a bitch. So as you can see, I'm really flattening that part so it really looks like it's growing out of my head and it's not like bumpy or anything. So there you go. And you're gonna see, there you go. And here I am tweezing just a little bit. Like I said, I don't like over tweezing because long run it's gonna like shed anyways, so I don't tweeze extra. You could do the most and add some like little baby hairs. Not do the most, but you know what I mean. You could add baby hairs and make it all cute or whatever. Like I might, not sure, but for now it works pretty well. And I'm just sleeking down those little side burns because the sides are always the one that just bumps out and it's kind of annoying. A trick for that is to like really lay them down at night and just wrap it. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. There you go. Woo, child. Just, you see that little dubby dub just changed everything. Everything. Choo choo. Just gonna bring some a little bit here. And just brush that so it's not that. There you go. What weave? Tell me, what weave? So there you have it. That is how I installed the wig. I do hope that this video was helpful. As you can see, it was super duper easy, no fuss. If you're new to wigs, I would recommend this like whole fake sculpting because it just does cut your work in half. The pre-plucking I think is pretty decent. Honestly, between you and I, after having like a couple of wigs and going through the motion, and you guys have seen it on my video, like, ooh, the struggle it's been. I do like for my wigs to start off like a bit fuller because as time goes by, it does shed, and you know, it just ages better when it's like slightly pre-plucked, still looks natural. Like, I didn't even put any baby hairs or anything and it still looks pretty decent. Like, it's just like growing out of my head. I could do baby hairs, but I cannot be asked. For now, I'll probably bring out my own hair a little bit and just lay it down with some gel or something, and that will be that. Because honestly, baby hairs are so much of a hassle, and the fact that it has the elastic band, everything is secure. In about 1 month, I'll probably come back to you either on here or on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. But so far, so good. Your girl's happy, and I feel like I'm slaying. Can you tell I'm feeling myself? That is it for my wig installation video. Super effortless. I do hope that this video was helpful. If it was, give me a thumbs up. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when I have new videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!